Don't get too close. Baby's first hiccup. Aww. 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 Aww.
Poor thing.
It's almost like you can't help yourself. Boo. Hold your breath.
Aw. We'll scare him. Fletcher, how do you feel about this? No fun? No fun? A little bit.
You can't get too close because it gets out of focus. Oh. Let's go lay you on the cradle and go watch House.
Okay. Good night, Fletcher.